Good morning, student. I am Sadhana Tripathi from AVM. Today we'll go through income and other criteria. Students, here is given table 1.3 per capita income of select states. Some are taken states Punjab, Kerala and Bihar, and you can see second table 1.4 some comparative data on Punjab, Kerala and Bihar. So I will tell you, it means when we looked at individual aspiration and goals, we found the people not only think of better income but also have goals such as security, respect for other, equal treatment, freedom, etc. Okay, so now students, if you will see this figure, these figures are per capita net state domestic product at current prices of 2011 and 12. Students, you can see Punjab 74,606, Kerala 83,725, Bihar 23,435. This is the per capita income of this state. Okay, this is the survey of 2013. So now we will compare these three states. Students, here is given roughly figure, and roughly we can take it to be per capita income of the state. We find that of the three, Punjab has the highest per capita income, and highest Bihar is at the bottom, and the means of that on an average. Okay, Bihar on an average, a person in the Punjab earned rupees 74,006 in 1 year, whereas on an average a person in Bihar would earn only around 23,435. I have already told you Bihar, this is the per capita income 23,435. And so if per capita income were to be used as the measure of development, Punjab will be considered the most developed and Bihar the least developed state of the three. Okay, so now let us then look at the certain other data and pertaining to these state given in table 1.4. Students, you can see Punjab, Kerala, Bihar and infant mortality rate. Students, you know what is infant mortality rate? Shishu Mrityu Dar. Okay, it means this is the measures 1000 live birth. Okay, so explanation of the some terms used in table, you can see infant mortality rate. It means this is IMR, indicate the number of children that die before the age of 1 year as a proportion of 1000 live children born in the particular year. It means being 1 year, how many childs are dead. This is the consider of the infant mortality. And literacy rate measure the proportion of the literate population in the 7 and above age group. Okay, and attendance rate, it means is the total number of children of age group 6 to 10 attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the some age group. It means below 6 to 10. It means some have 7 years and some have 8 years and 9 years, but they have joined the school, and this is called attendance. Okay, students, you can see Punjab infant rate 30, Kerala 12, Bihar 44. Mostly least of the 12. It means rarely infant mortality rate 12 in Kerala. Okay, literacy rate, highest literacy rate in Kerala 91, infantile mortality rate 12, and literacy rate highest rate 91, and P means priority 93.91. It means overall developments are the 93.91. And net attendance ratio for the class 1 to 5th. It means who have go in primary school and another school above 6-7 year ages and 6 to 10. This is the highest rate of the Kerala, 91%. Understand? Here is given development records and about to survey 2013. This is the considered Kerala is the best state. There is no more infantile rate and their highest literacy rate and total attendance highest 91. Okay, understand, students? And if we are taking, what does this table show? Then you can say, and the first column of the table shows that the Kerala, out of 1000 children born alive, 12 died before completing 1 year of age in Kerala. Understand? But in Punjab, the proportion of children dying within 1 year of birth is 30, and which is more than 2 times. Of the other hand, the per capita income of Punjab is more than Kerala, as shown in table 1.3. The highest per capita income and 74,606 in Punjab, and Kerala 83,725, and Bihar have 23,435. I already explained you, but just think how dear you your parents think of how everyone is so happy when a child is born. Okay, but now try to think the percentage whose children die before they even celebrate their first birthday. How painful it must be to these parents. Here is given overall about children. Okay, so we are not talking about all times. It is 65 years after independence, when our metro towns are full of high rises building and shopping malls, and the problems does not end with the infant mortality rate. The last column of table 1.4 shows the nearly 30% of the children in Bihar. It is the, according to chapter, I have already told you about table. So students, now we will explain about public facilities in next video. Thank you. I think you can better understand. Here is given, everything is in table. You have to learn and draw in your notebook. Okay, thank you.